Hey youngsters! Today we're going to make some zucchini fries. Let's get into it. As normal, I will include the recipe in the description box below. But let's start off with some flour. And we're going to season our flour with some onion powder. Garlic powder. Very good. This is all-purpose seasoning. A pack of Goya Salad and Vegetable Seasoning. Just give it a good shake. Set that aside. I have 3 eggs here. I'm gonna add some water, maybe about 2 tablespoons of water. There's the egg, set that aside. Now we're gonna use some plain Panko breadcrumbs and we're gonna use the same seasonings, except we're gonna add a little paprika. Pack of Goya vegetable and salad seasoning. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And very good everything seasoning, or very good all-purpose seasoning. Give that a good mix. All right, so I have washed the zucchini, so I'm just gonna cut off the ends. Cut this in half. Now, I just want to mention with this recipe, you can also use the air fryer. You will just follow the same process. Place it in the air fryer on 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. You just want it nice golden brown and crispy. And you would just spray it with some like avocado spray or some olive oil spray, just so it's not dry. But you would spray the pan first, and then once you place them in there, you would spray the zucchini. Then halfway, you will flip them over and spray them on the other side. All right, you want to set up a little dredging station or dipping station, whatever you want to call it. And the first thing you want to do is just take your zucchini and drop some sticks into the flour, the seasoned flour. And give it a good shake. You want to dip your zucchini into the egg batter. Make sure it's covered. and then right into the panko. And same with that. Give it a good shake. And place it on the rack. And just repeat the process until everything is coated. And you want to preheat your oil to 350, so you could be doing that in the meantime. Okay, so I will be using avocado oil. We're gonna let this oil get hot. You don't need a lot of oil. You'll just flip it on each side for about a minute or two. Okay, so we're just gonna place a couple of pieces into the oil. And you need a little dripping rack for when it comes out. You just turn it. Just like that. Place it on your rack and you proceed with completing the rest of the batch. Okay, and here you have it. Fried zucchini fries. Yum. And now for the taste test. So I have some ranch and I've added some chives in the ranch. So we're going to take one of these little dip. Forgot to give y'all a bite. Go ahead, bite. When I tell y'all these are some kind of good, if you're looking for a crunchy snack, healthy snack, very delicious. Very, very good. Another winner in my book. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to leave me a comment, share the video out, and I will see you next time. Bye.